Welcome to the world famous Guarantee RV Super Centers. Right here in Junction City, Oregon. My name is Gary Christian, serving the dealer since July 14th of 1981. And today we're going to summit the mountain with a Catalina Summit Series. Lightweight trailer. This is a bunkhouse model. Weighs about 3,000 pounds. We'll open this bad boy up and take a look. See, my key doesn't work on the deadbolt. That's what you should remember. Always lock your deadbolt. So it's got a release here for your screen door, so if you want to separate it when you're parked. And then it's got this nice little slider here that if you wanted to grab it. So the older trailers didn't have that. It's a very nice feature while you're camping. Let me prop the door open and we'll take a peek inside. Bunk bed model. Well, of course it has bunk beds for the kids in here. It's got two bunks, one on the bottom, one on the top. And I've got it propped up to show you the storage from the outside. It's got a skylight in the bathroom, brings in plenty of light, gives extra headroom so you can actually stand in there. You got kids, so there's a little bathtub to be able to take care of them, get them all cleaned up. Circuit breakers and fuses, propane heaters right here, thermostats right by the door. Norcold Refrigerator, it's the kind I use. One reason is it's dependable, and also it's got this deep tray. If you ever have ice melt or something, it's going to sit in here and not flow over the edge. Controls are here, you don't have to bend down. 2-burner stove, single sink. That's because you've got counter space, okay? Good storage down below. Little down here, this one's covering up something down there they don't want you getting to. Nice, good sized microwave. Then overhead storage in here. And then right behind me is your 2-person dinette. We've got the table in the down position. So when you want to make the bed, you pull these out, lay them down, and now you've got sleeping for 5. Good overhead storage. Headboard, storage up there so you have room to put your glasses and stuff. USB ports if you want to charge your phone. Electric outlet if you have a CPAP like me. You got a place to plug it in, and a little shelf to put it. So storage up on top. Got entertainment center. I see the speakers. And again, storage underneath. There's the propane tank. It gets mounted up on the front. Entertainment center right here. Electric awning. Popping outside. Nice double step. And again, the weight was 3,100 pounds. Release the door. Nice grab assist handle. The speakers. Vent for your stove. Hot water heater, furnace. So this is intake for the air and exhaust, so this would be hot when you're running it. Service entrance for the refrigerator. Don't get in there, we're not technicians. Stabilizer jacks. Got the bumper on the back for your sewer hose. Yeah, we do provide the sewer hose, the water hose, pressure regulator. The list goes on. It's a great customer care package. Full-size tire and spare cover. Termination valves, easy to get to. Dump your tanks. And as I mentioned, here's the lower bunk in the up position. As you can see right now, you've got plenty of room that you can put barbecues and a whole bunch of other stuff in there, in addition to what you put in your truck. Undo this one little latch and down she comes. There are USB ports in both bed areas. Satellite cable, electrical plug when you want to hook into shore power. This is your water fill, city, fresh water drains down below. This is your front access for outside storage under your bed that we raised up on the inside. Now, I understand you might have a question. Why don't you just call me direct? My phone number is 541-554 9581. Yep. My email address is there too. Do either one. Have a great day.